Srally Rashir, who previously won the Mawthengkut MDC seat in 2024 after a 21-year gap, has returned to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council by securing victory from Mawshynrut under the Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP. Following his oath-taking as an MDC on the 27th of February 2025, Rashir announced his decision to sit in the opposition. Addressing the media, he emphasized the need to safeguard land resources, raising concerns over increasing land encroachment by the Garo community in their efforts to expand Garo land. He underscored the importance of establishing a clear land mapping system within the HSPDP and enhancing governance mechanisms to protect indigenous interests. When questioned about his decision to join the opposition, Rashir stated that he opted against collaborating with the Voice of the People Party VPP, citing their authoritarian leadership style.
Atopi approach na mga niga VP bunitre lang niga executive committee. Kaya ka daw?
Kaya ka daw ba custom bunitre ki? Ni ngimyak lain ki naduk ka election ru nga umang tek kata tu sai belengan buri musim ngalapra bawa dalam job ru ngam tek maka bah ka tu aga jingalam jang tu dalam hangni kalau diktator kata ka kom nang hilalam bet ka i ban kin chen shan ki kin sai lap ki pai ba nin hala wadah pas season nimtre, ay bakin sinsar way, kaya ikibagba kinsa jubao hadin sansni.
Tipin hunne melodi bapinchong akal yang persa.
Hun baik na lila songgen na pada. Tipi ba ngan keno ya kata ngan keno ya no hasor tiki long kuntute. Hasor kitchen by chit untuk kan bangi sete kadang klan hipi benda yo kandidat kini ki ramrai ki yu kadang klan HSPDP nama benda ikan ni kalau cuma man cuma bala yale fighter ya state de mai open teni mutang persa awat haka ba declare nuni ya ka election ru makan ya ki ba ni de ban pensan penkiu yang ya gani tang basani sesuatu bun kamrun nama balai ni ngimbang ka lecture kiwe ki bang di ki ai tang ki jirwai utap sonik sinaya umlut ni sati ladar lut hablut kata ke jinya per sesuatu macam kendang kaya per